Here we go with example 20 on page 33. The second term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so we're dealing with arithmetic sequence. So we have our tools for arithmetic sequences and series down here, our three formulas that we know. Arithmetic sequence, the second term is 7. Okay, so U2 is equal to 7. All right, the sum of the first 4 terms is 12. So that tells us that S4 equals 12. Find the first term and the common difference. Find the first term and the common difference. Okay, so if we know, let's see what we can do here. Fill in what we know. Let's start with Sn equals n over 2 u1 plus un. Okay, for S4, we would know that n is 4. We don't know what u1 is. We don't know what un is. That would be u4. Okay, but we do know S4 is 12. Okay, we need to find the common difference also. All right, so that tells me that this formula is not quite going to work. I should have chosen this other formula that has a D in it. So I'm gonna back up and start over. No problem. So, all right. So for S4, n is equal to 4. We don't know U1, and we don't know D, but we do know n is 4. Okay, and S4 is 12. So we can simplify this down to here. We could even take it a little further by dividing both sides by 2. And I have an equation with 2 unknowns in it, and they are the 2 unknowns that we need to be able to find. The first term and the common difference. All right, so do we have another formula we can use that will give us the same information? Let's use the general term formula. All right, un is what we don't know, but we're talking about S4, so what we would want is U4. U1 we do not know, D we do not know, but in that situation, n would be 4. Okay, this is all true, but still not enough information to help us. That's okay. Those things are going to happen. Let's back up, think again. U4 we didn't know, but we do know U2. Okay, so can we fill in this information for U2 instead of U4? We can. So U2, this will be 2 here, and then that will just be 1D. But we actually know what U2 is, it's 7. Okay, so now we actually have 2 equations with 2 unknowns. You can choose elimination or substitution to be able to finish solving. This time around, I'm going to use elimination. I like elimination. So I'm going to arrange them. U1 plus D equals 7. I just like to have them arranged that way. And 2U1 plus 3D equals 6. I'm going to multiply the top row by 2. And then I'm going to subtract. So this will give me negative D equals 8, therefore D equals negative 8. Then we fill that D value in for one of our original 2 equations here to calculate U1. So U1 is 15. So have we answered the question? Find the first term. Yeah, U1 is 15. And find the common difference. Yes, D is negative 8. So some little bit of work. Sometimes you need to back up and try again. That's okay.